veganic natural farming. It's tasty. You want some? Hey free woman, so today I want to show you my progress, the progress of our veggie garden over the last like 3 or 4 months. It's pretty amazing. We have got like a lot of edible herbs here, like tarragon, and we've got green Okinawan spinach. White. I can't make mistakes like that. I can't do that. It's just, I'm sorry, I need to take a few like...
You don't have to name them, okay?
I do, I just have to flow with it, okay?
Go again. Hey
free woman, so today I want to show you the progress of my our veggie garden. See, I can't say my. I'm going to start again. Yes, it does.
Doesn't matter.
It does.
Yes.
Okay.
Go again.
Hey free woman, so today I'm going to show you the progress of our veggie garden over the past 4 months. It's pretty amazing. As you can see, we've got green Okinawan spinach, we've got some tarragon, we've got chilies. Everything is growing huge. We have some basil here. Really nice. I like this basil a lot. Some spicy, massive tomato bush. Look at this. It isn't giving any fruit yet, but it does have flowers, so they're going to be coming very soon. And we have zucchini. We'll go to the zucchini first. This zucchini is not very old, but it is loving it here, and it's going to be producing, it's got a flower, so it's going to have some fruit soon, hopefully. We have beetroot. Beetroot is doing really well. And we have many of those. We have many beetroot throughout the garden. We have sugarcane. Sugarcane juice is like one of my favorite things in the world. It is really, really beautiful. And you know, the soil down here is really healthy as well. This comes from our own organic human manure. And our compost. Yeah, it's our compost basically broken down into soil that now feeds us again. So we like close that cycle, we eat the fruit, we put the scraps into the garden, and then it creates this beautiful compost, which then feeds the vegetables that then feed us, if that makes sense. Okay, so we have yucca here. Yucca or cassava is a root vegetable which tastes really nice. Hey, it tastes pretty much like, it's like a cross between sweet potato and potato. Very good. And if you go further along here, we have stevia. Stevia is one of my favorite herbs because it's sweet, and I like sweet stuff. And it's flowering at the moment. And you can just pick off a piece. You can just pick off a piece. Try it out. It's good. It's just sweet. It's just really sugary. Everybody wants a sugary herb. Okay, we can move on.
Is that a tree?
This one. Yeah, this is Gramachama. This is pretty exciting. Okay, we've already had one red pepper off here and it was delicious. It was really nice. Let's pick another one because this is virtually ready. We can just twist it off. Can we try it? It's tasty. You want some? I like it. Next door we have tomatoes. We have cherry tomatoes. And this bush is just like taking over. It is so nourished from the human manure and from the compost, from all the fruit scraps. Very healthy soil they're growing in. Let me take a tomato from here. And there's some turmeric on my hand. That's really nice. Eating straight from the garden, how it should be, not going to the supermarket. All your goodies, all your produce at your front door. That's the best way to live. So let's have a look at the irrigation system. So Robin's attached this old piping that he found on the property because people used to live here and they left a lot of trash. So this is upcycling from the rainforest where it was, taking it out of there so it doesn't pollute the environment anymore. And we're using it. We're using it for something good, for nourishing the rest of the garden. And he's just attached it to this tree that fell down, and it's great. It's working really, really well. We have yellow zucchini here. Yellow zucchini, black Russian. I think this is a black Russian.
Looks like it.
Yep. Here we have like a ghost chili and also bird's eye chili. And if you look closely, there is actually, chilies are coming. Look at that. This is a ghost chili. This is one of the hottest chilies in the world. So you don't want to just try that. We've got passion fruit. Well, peppers. The peppers are looking a little bit, yeah. And here, snow pea. Look at this little snow pea. What a delicate little thing. There's literally one pea in there. So we're waiting for those to grow up. We've got heaps of them around. And we've got rocket. I mean, rocket is really yummy. Good stuff. And this is mustard green. This is a mustard green. Really good, spicy. It's getting attacked by the grasshoppers, but that's all right. Grasshoppers are our friends. They do a lot of good things in the garden, even though they may seem like they're a pest, but they're not. They all have, like every insect in the garden has its role. Let's look back here. Okay, we move on from the cassava. This is choco. We've got choco here. Come here, we have cucumbers. Look at the cucumber, a little baby. Wherever you see a flower, you're going to see a cucumber. Look at the flower.
Except if it's a
male flower. Except if it's a male flower. And hopefully these are pollinators, so we actually get cucumbers. We have peanuts. No roasted peanuts for us. We want the fresh stuff. So these are literally peanuts growing. And they taste so good raw. You've got to get your hands on some raw peanuts. This is Malabar spinach. This one here. I can try one. It's a nice green. It's good. Got my salad happening here. Takeaway salad. These are just spreading like wildfire. This is a very tall bush. So we'll pick a tomato. Let's try it. Oh, this is like such a great salad going on here. This is my favorite. They're really sweet. No chemicals, no pesticides, no herbicides. Just natural veganic farming. Really good.
And in the tropics.
And in the tropics. Yes.
No worries.
No worries. So these are snow peas we saw earlier. Look at these little fingers, these little tendrils. You know, if you leave your finger there long enough, it's going to wind its little tendril around there because it's looking out for something to grab onto because it's a climber. You can see here. They're all like, yeah, we found something. The bamboo's helping us. These are bamboo. We're just using these as support, natural support for the vegetables rather than using, I don't know, steel or something that you buy from a shop. We're just using the environment around us, utilizing the environment around us. There it is, the bamboo. Ooh, what's this coming? This is a jackfruit, and there's another jackfruit. We've got this one, and then there's more up there. We've got about maybe 30 jackfruit in total coming at the moment. Very exciting because jackfruit is one of our favourite fruits, for sure. This is mushroom leaf. This is important green to show because it's delicious, and we have a little grasshopper. This is really nice. See? It does have this mushroom edge to it, and it's just an easy to eat green. It's not like fibre or anything. Very nutritious.
What's growing above you?
Oh, and above we have papaya. And this papaya variety is probably the nicest I've ever tasted in my life. It's very intense, a very strong flavour. A lot of people say they don't like papaya, but you just haven't had a good papaya. It's a really good fruit. So this is an eggplant, and it's being weighed down by this ginormous, well, it's not ginormous in most people's idea of an eggplant, but this variety is quite big. This is quite big for that variety, and I think we can pick it.
What fertilizer did you put on?
No fertilizer. The green ants are saying no though. Maybe we'll pick it later. There's green ants on here, and they're farming aphids. That's what they do. I don't know if I can maybe do this. They're not happy when they're disturbed.
Oh, they are our friends?
They're our friends though. Sometimes they can be annoying, but they are our friends. They can help defend the plant from predators that will eat the eggplant. And also, we have a little capsicum here. Oh, it just came off. This one is, yeah, we will eat it later. Down here we have pumpkin. Look at this amazing flower. It's beautiful. And it smells incredible. It's got the most beautiful perfume. And this is a giant grenadier flower. So the fruit is going to get big, and it's really sweet, really, really sweet. You can just tell it's going to be sweet from the smell of the flower too. Let's have a look at the veggie patch here. This is a long melon, quite a heavy melon. As you can see, the leaves are big, huge leaf. It has to be a big vine, so it can support a really large melon. And these melons can cost us from $15 to $20 each, one melon. So it makes sense to grow your own food. Hey, it's free, so gotta do it. Zucchini. This is maybe muskmelon or honeydew, this one. And there's more of them. And this is sweet leaf. Sweet leaf.
Why don't you just grow one thing in one area?
It's not a good idea to grow one thing in one area because insects can come and they can just decimate the whole crop. So it's good to have biodiversity, to mix it up. So it's a natural environment. Nature didn't get it wrong. Nature does the right thing, so we want to copy her design. That's why we're not doing a typical orchard kind of setup where you see monocrops of fruit and vegetables. Some irrigation. This is water coming from the creek. We don't pay for any water, it comes straight from the creek. And this is a sweet potato patch. So we have a whole bunch of sweet potatoes in there. That's nourishing the soil, putting roots in there, putting organic matter, increasing the fertility in the soil. So then we can replant vegetables, plant some more vegetables, and they're just going to be high nutrient content. Good organic food. And this is our big sweet leaf bush. It's bigger than me now. And that's how you pick it. We eat it every day, almost every day. It's a really good green. Oh. It's nice.
Some capsicum.
Oh yeah, I just plant. So you take the seeds from the capsicum and you can just throw them in, or you can plant them a bit deeper. And it's good to water after you do it. Just spread them around. It's easy. See how easy it is to grow your own food. Even if you have a unit, even if you're in a unit, you can grow some vegetables, even some fruit, some dwarf fruit on your balcony. Get some sun in there, and it's great. Free food. Okay, free woman, that is my garden tour for today. If you enjoyed this video, let me know on Instagram if you have any feedback, and I will see you next video. Bye.
Bye bye.